Nuer Tube Chat in Nuer. Today we are going to learn these Nuer English basic phrases. If you are new to this channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing or follow. Alright, you are a beautiful girl. Ejin Nyamagwalong. You are a beautiful girl. Ejin Nyamagwalong. You are handsome boy. Ejin Dolmigwa. You are handsome boy. Ejin Dolmigwa. You are an ugly girl. Ejin Nyamajek. You are an ugly girl. Ejin Nyamajek. You are ugly boy. Ejin Dolmijek. Okay. You are a kind person. Ejin Ramatekanuk. You are a kind person. You are an awful person. Ejin Ramajek. You are an awful person. Ejin Ramajek. You are a bad man. Ejin Wood Mijek. You are a bad woman. Ejin Sheikh Mijek. You are a good man. Ejin Wood Migwa. You are a good woman. Ejin Sheikh Migwa. Alright. You are a beautiful girl. Beautiful man Migwa. You are a beautiful girl. Ejin Nyamigwa Along. You are handsome boy. Ejin Dolmigwa. You are an ugly girl. Ejin Nyami Jek. You are an ugly boy. Ejin Dolmijek. You are a kind person. Ejin Ramatekanuk. You are an awful person. Ejin Ramijek. You are a bad man. Ejin Wutmijek. You are a bad woman. Ejin Sheikh Mijek. You are a good man. Ejin Wutmigwa. You are a good woman. Ejin Sheikh Migwa. Okay, so please try to mimic them, learn them, repeat them. You are a beautiful girl. Ejin Nyamigwalong. You are handsome boy. Ejin Dolmigwa. You are ugly girl. Ejin Nyamijek. You are ugly boy. Ejin Dolmijek. You are a kind person. Ejin Ramatekanuk. You are awful person. Ejin Ramujek. You are a bad man. Ejin Wunmijek. You are a bad woman. Ejin Sheikh Mijek. You are a good man. Ejin Wunmigwa. You are a good woman. Ejin Sheikh Migwa. Please follow for more and do not subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.